Hi everyone, in this video we're going to discuss what is SEO, search engine optimization, and how does it work. If this is something you're interested in, then great, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Search Engine Optimization 101. So what is SEO? As the definition suggests, SEO means search engine optimization. It is the process of improving the visibility of your web page when it comes to the unpaid results. This is very often referred to the natural or organic results. To begin with, we need to be familiar with how the search engine results page looks like. So on this chart here, you can see that we have the keyword search query box. We have the paid promotion listings that typically occur first. We have the paid search results, but what we care most here is the organic search results, because we're going to try to make our web page score higher when it comes to the organic search results. And as you can see here, organic search results are very important, because 94% of all the people using search engines would typically click on the organic search box rather than the paid search clicks. Nowadays, we know that somebody pushing some paid promotions in front of our eyes, it doesn't necessarily reflect to the best possible content. So we naturally are more inclined to look at organic search results. The organic side of the search result is a market-wide voice of the consumer. This is where consumers believe the credibility really is. The organic results are telling customers that what they want and what matters the most for them is there. Therefore, they're more inclined to click on the organic search results rather than the paid promotional ones. And you can see here, we can go even further. Of all the people who use search results, 43% of them actually click on one of the top 3 organic search results. So it's very important to make our website visible, to make it possibly one of the top 3, because this is where the most traffic is. This is how we're going to get the most possible customers to view our content, our product, and potentially to buy that product or service from us. So how does SEO work? Well, there are different steps we can discuss here. The first step is the automated bot that pretty much crawls the web, scans all the content that there is, and then decides what to do with it. And typically what it does is these bots, they index the web page based on the content, based on the media we have posted on those websites, etc. So this helps the bot to categorize the website and then decide whether the customer or the viewer would be interested in seeing this content, this product, or knowing more about this service. In order to do so, the search engine uses an algorithm, and this algorithm is designed to improve the fit between what the customer is searching for and what they find. And of course, if you're searching for something but find something completely different, the whole search engine would lose credibility, so you would no longer use it. That's why the algorithm is very important for the search engine, but also it's very important for us, because this is the rule book. This is how we are going to try to position our website in the best possible way so that the algorithm recognizes our website as a credible source of valuable information. And the algorithm for Google, for example, has been changing through the ages. So we can track some changes from 2013, then the algorithm was changed in 2015 again. Finally, it reached the 2017-2018 phase, and we still have the major part of the algorithm holding up. So the algorithm hasn't changed that much since 2017-2018, although there were some tweaks, some slight changes that we should also pay attention to. This timeline of changes is just to show you that even if you optimize your website once, this may not be enough, because the algorithm changes and therefore your SEO strategy should change over time as well. And this evolution can be even traced on the design of the search results. At first, you'd only have 10 links to choose from as part of your query. Then you'd get some pictures as well. Then you may get some address of a local shop, local cafe, etc. And finally, now, whenever we search for a given keyword, we may even get a map, a location which can provide us with a specific service, specific product, etc. So we're moving from just generic data presentation, 10 blue links, to a more contextual data, highly contextual search results. And we would like to address all these changes. So we would like our website to have location so that Google Maps, for example, can show our location. We would like to have some media, some images, videos, so that these can also possibly show up as part of the search results. Again, creating that highly contextual experience for whoever is searching for information. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on the content and the videos I've planned to be released in the coming weeks and months. There will be lots of videos on how you can get a business started, how you can improve the performance of your website, how you can improve the conversion rate, how you can market your products and services in the most cost-effective way. Lots of important and valuable lessons, and if you're interested in that, you've come to the right place. If I have missed a topic that you want me to cover, please comment down below and I'll be very happy to create a video on that. We can catch up in the next video. Until then, peace out.